Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This video is for students of class 2 subject science. Let us read the thought for today. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. So this thought has the meaning that if you face difficulties in your life, if there are problems in your life, that is the sign of progress. Means when you face the problems, you are getting closer and closer to your goals. Destination means your goal, where you want to reach. So it is good that you have problems. You should face that problems and you will reach your destination. These are the instructions I give you all the time, and I hope that you are all following this every day. You should sleep early and you should get up early. You should brush your teeth 2 times in a day. In the morning when you get up and at night before you sleep. You should wash your hands especially before and after eating. Avoid junk food, means do not eat outside food. You should do some exercise every day, like running, walking, playing. You should take bath every day. Here you have to watch the videos on time, the videos which are sent from the school in the group. You have to be attentive while your teacher is teaching you. As you are watching the videos, you have to watch the videos very carefully. So in our today's video, we will continue with the lesson number 11, water. In that, I will first give the revision of the previous video, explanation of sources of water and storage of water. These two things I will explain, sources of water and storage of water. We will solve some interesting worksheets along with these topics. I will explain and then we shall also solve some worksheets. Let's begin. Here is the explanation of sources of water and storage of water. Do write some important words and spellings in your notebook, as I just tell you to sit with the notebook and pencil in your hand. I hope that today also you are sitting with it handy with you. Right? So let us begin with the video. Now, first here we have a riddle. See, what is the riddle? What are we going to learn? Based on that, I have got one riddle for you. A puzzle, you can say. Right? What is the puzzle? This is something you can find in a lake and in a stream. When frozen, it turns to ice. When boiled, it turns to steam. Can you guess? Who am I? So here you have to guess. Who is this? See, what is written over here? This is something you can find in a lake and in a stream. We can find this thing in a lake. We can find this thing in a stream. And when frozen, it turns to ice. When it freezes, it becomes ice. It is found in lake. It is found in stream. When it freezes, you can turn it into ice. It gets frozen. It turns into ice when you put it in the freezer. When you boil it, it becomes steam, means vapor. When you boil that thing, it goes up in the air in the form of steam. It becomes vapor. So, who am I? You have to guess the name. What is that thing? Yes, I think you have got the answer. Answer is over here. Water. That thing is something we can find in the lake. We can find it in the stream. Lake and stream are small areas of water. When you freeze it, when it is frozen, when you keep it in the freezer, it gets frozen and it becomes ice. And when it is boiled, when you boil it, it goes up in the form of water vapor. It becomes steam. So that thing is water. You have to write this riddle because it is a type of puzzle. You can ask your friends, you can ask your cousins and family, what is this? Then you can ask the whole riddle and the answer you have got water. Now see what is given. Some rainwater flows away over the ground. When there is a lot of rainfall, that water which falls on the ground, some of the water flows away. It goes away over the ground. Some water seeps into the ground and some water goes inside the ground. All the water we get comes from rain. Where does the water come from? The water comes from rain. So, most of the water that we use, where does it come from? Most of that water comes from the rain. When there is rainfall, lot of water comes down on the ground and we get most of our water from rain. So, the rainy season lasts for 3 or 4 months, right? Just like monsoon season, you say, how many months do we have? For 3 to 4 months we have rainy season. And in India we have the season which lasts for 3 to 4 months. Along with us, all the living things use this water all year around. So the rainwater which we get, all the living things that need water, they use this water the whole year, like animals, birds. There are so many living things on the earth and we all use this rainwater whole year. Around whole year we need this rainwater and they use this rainwater for drinking and for many other purposes we need water. So here you have to understand two things, that we get water from the rainfall and the season of the rain, that is monsoon, it lasts for 3 to 4 months and this water is useful for all the living beings on the earth. Now where do we get water from? These are the sources of water. Sources means water comes from all these places. Where do we get water from? So here are the images. Let us see which are the sources of water. R-I-V-E-R, river. R-I-V-E-R, river. C-A-N-A-L, canal. C-A-N-A-L, canal. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. H-A-N-D-P-U-M-P, hand pump. H-A-N-D-P-U-M-P, hand pump. And L-A-K-E, lake. L-A-K-E, lake. D-A-M, dam. D-A-M, dam. W-E-L-L, well. W-E-L-L, well. We get water from all these places. Next, what are wells? Some rainwater seeps into the ground. Wells are dug to obtain this water. So as you can see over here, some rainwater, when there is rainfall, some water seeps. Seeps means what? See, this word is something new for you. You can write it. Flows slowly through. So some rainwater flows slowly into the ground. When there is rainfall, some water flows into the ground. Wells are dug to obtain this water. Some wells are dug, see, like this. Wells are dug and water is taken out from the ground. So these are called wells. For taking out the rainwater, that goes inside the ground, we need to dig wells. In villages, we see there are a lot of wells like this. Then dams. The most important of all recent water storages is the dam. See, this is dam. It is very important water storage. Recent means it is very new. People use it nowadays for storing water. It is recent water storage. And we can store a lot of water. See what is written over here? It stores huge quantities of water. Huge quantities means what? The word which I have underlined, you have to write the meaning of that word. Huge means a lot of water can be stored in these dams. See, you can see the lot of water is there over here. So much water is flowing out. When the dams are open, the water will flow out. But when the dams are closed, we can store a huge amount of water quantity in the dam, right? We can store a lot of water in it. So this also is important source of water, that is dam. When there is scarcity of water, when we have less water, the dams are opened. And when the dams are opened, we get enough of water supply. Then next we have storage of water. How can we store the water? Where can we store the water? So storage means to save water. Storing something means saving that. Here we should save the water because water storage is very important. In future there will be scarcity of water, means we will not have enough water, and if we waste the water like this, then our future generation will not be able to survive on earth. So read this. Rainwater can be collected in tanks, drums and buckets. See, these are the things. Images are also shown over here. Where can you just store the water? You can store the water in tanks, drums, buckets. You have to learn the spelling itself right now. Tank, tank, bucket, bucket, drum, drum, tank, bucket, drum. Tank, tank, bucket, bucket, drum, drum. So what are these? These are common ways of storing water. What are they? Common ways means people use these things for storing water. So where do you see tanks? You might have seen tanks on the terrace of the house. Many people keep this kind of tanks. They have a lot of capacity. You can store so many liters in it. Bucket. Where do we use this? We use bucket while we go for bathing. And we need this bucket whenever we want to take the water outside. We can use the bucket for taking the water from one place to another while we want to wash our vehicles. And in drum also you can store a huge amount of water, but not more than tank. Maximum water you can store in tank, then in the drum, and then you can store some water in the bucket. These are the sources, means these are the places, these are the storage things. See, storage of water, you can save the water in it, and you should do it every day. Then this water can be used. Where can you use this water? When you are saving the water in all these things, right? You are saving the water. Then where will you use that water? We can use the water for watering the plants. See how the girl is watering the plants over here. You should water the plants because plants give us life in a way that they give us oxygen. So, oxygen is the most important thing for us to survive after water. Water, oxygen are our basic needs. So, plants give us oxygen. We should save them. And for watering the plants, we need the water which is saved. So, we should store the water for watering the plants. Then, what can we need the water for? Cleaning the car. See how this boy is cleaning the car with the foam, with his cloth. You should clean the vehicles. If you have two-wheelers, four-wheelers, we should clean the vehicles, and our vehicles will look nice, so the people will like them. So we need water for cleaning the vehicles or cleaning the cars. Then, for what else do we need? We need for cleaning the floors. See how this lady is cleaning the floor of the house. You should not live in a dirty place. You should clean the floor of your house every day. And it is not necessary that only the mother will do it or any servant will do it. It is our duty because it is our house, it is our school, it is our country. So we should clean the water, we should clean the floor with the water. Right? When we clean the floor of the house, then all the germs will die over there and we will not fall ill. So we should just clean the floor of the house if you want to be safe from the germs. If you want to keep your house germs free, you can also add some Dettol in the water and then you can clean the house. So our house will be germs free. So these are the things where we need water. We need for watering plants, for cleaning the cars, for cleaning the floors. Write these three things in your notebook. After that, water must always be stored in containers with proper lid. See, these are called containers. What is the spelling? containers. 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 So this big container of blue color and this very big container of black color, these are water tanks of different colors. This has big storage capacity, this has less storage capacity, but it should be covered with proper lids. See, this is called the lid with which we cover, with which we close it. This is called the lid. See, I'll just highlight so that you can see that properly. I have circled it now. We have to close the lid because if the lid is open, then anything can fall inside the water and it can make our water dirty. So the lid should be there. It is very important. If the water is kept open, any mosquitoes or any insects or anything can fall inside the water and that water is dirty water. So never keep the lid open. Even if you have filled your water in a glass and you have kept it on the platform of the kitchen or on the table, never keep it open. Cover it with some lid, because when you cover the water with some lid, these containers, then your water will be safe inside it. So these containers should have lid. Then let us solve this puzzle. See, we have got a puzzle for you. Let us solve this puzzle and have some fun exercises related to the topics that we have studied. This is already what we have done, right? We have already found the words. Where are they? So here are the words: CANAL, canal. CANAL, canal. Where do you find the word canal? You find it in the standing line or sleeping line. Yes, you have 3 seconds. Try to find out. 3, 2 and 1. So here is the word canal. CANAL, canal. Then where do you find the next word? That is tap. T-A-P, tap. Just a 3-letter word. Is it there in the puzzle? 3 seconds you have. 3, 2 and 1. Here is the word tap. T-A-P, tap. Next we have S-E-A-C. S-E-A-C. So where do you find that word? C. 3 seconds and your time is up. So here is the word S-E-A-C. S-E-A-C. Then L-A-K-E, lake. Did you get that word? L-A-K-E, lake. 3 seconds. 3, 2 and 1. So here is the word L-A-K-E, lake. L-A-K-E, lake. Now, after that, the next is hand pump. H-A-N-D-P-U-M-P, hand pump. Did you find that word, hand pump? It's over here. H-A-N-D-P-U-M-P, hand pump. See the last line, standing. Then we have the next word, W-E-L-L, well. W-E-L-L, well. So that word is a bit typical word. You won't get so easy. So I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So the word is in the slanting. See, it is not straight. Here is the word W-E-L-L, well. I have circled it. See, it goes from downward to upward. W-E-L-L, well. Next, D-A-M, dam. It is very easy. You can just find it easily in 3 seconds. So the word is in the first line right here. D-A-M, dam. Then we have P-O-N-D, pond. P-O-N-D, pond. So that is also very easy. It is right in front of your eyes. Find out in the 3 seconds. And your time is over. So those who got the answer, congratulations. Your observation is really sharper. Here is the word pond. Then the last word of this puzzle, river. R-I-V-E-R, river. R-I-V-E-R, river. So that word can be found over here. R-I-V-E-R, river. See, R-I-V-E-R. You have to see from the bottom. You have to read from the bottom. R-I-V-E-R, river. So finally we got all the answers and we solved the whole puzzle. Now let's write the answers for these jumbled words. A-S-E. What do we make with this? This word is C. S-E-A. C. S-E-A. C. Then what do you make with this word? E-A-L-K. That is lake. L-A-K-E. Lake. Then number 3, N-P-D-O. What word do you make with N-P-D-O? That is pond. P-O-N-D, pond. R-V-E-I-R. What word do we make? R-I-V-E-R. R-I-V-E-R, river. R-I-V-E-R, river. Then M-D-A. Which word will you make it? You will make the word dam. D-A-M, dam. D-A-M, dam. L-L-W-E. Can you get the answer? What it is? W-E-L-L, well. W-E-L-L, well. H-N-D-A, MPUP. That is used for the groundwater. We can take the groundwater out. So that is HANDPUMP, hand pump. HANDPUMP, hand pump. TPA, we make the word TAP, tap. We open the tap and we get the water. While bathing also, we open the tap and we get the water. Next, let us fill the missing words. Which word is it? So you have to fill these words yourself. SEA, then LAKE, lake. LAKE, lake. Then POND, pond. POND, pond. And over here RIVER, river. RIVER, river. Now see the last exercise for today. We have to match the following with the correct images. The first one is river. Where can you see the image of the river? The image is over here. This is river. Then second is sea. SEA, sea. It can be seen over here because sea is vast. Then lake. LAKE, lake is over here. LAKE, lake. And again the small area of water, pond. POND, pond. Then the last page for today, well. WELL, well. Then dam. DAM, dam. Then hand pump. Where is hand pump? Over here. Then the last one, tap. There is right here. TAP, tap. Hand pump. So here we complete our today's video. What did we learn in today's video? We saw a riddle. The answer was water. We learned what are the sources of water, right? River, canal, tap, hand pump, lake, dam. Then we also learned some things like how to store the water in tank, bucket or drum. And then we can use this water for watering the plants, for cleaning the cars and cleaning the floors. We can also store the water in the containers. So you can store the water in the containers like this, and the lid should be covered so that the germs do not enter it. So here we complete our today's video. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.